Ever wondered about the secret behind the slim physique of many Koreans? It may just be in their drinks. Today, we'll unpack the health benefits of 6 traditional Korean beverages, especially their role in weight loss. First up, green tea, or Nokcha. This antioxidant-rich drink is a metabolism booster, aiding in weight loss. It's also packed with catechins, promoting fat burning. A regular cup of high-quality Korean green tea can help suppress appetite and reduce fat absorption. Next on the list is barley tea, or Boricha. This caffeine-free herbal tea, made from roasted barley grains, regulates blood sugar levels and reduces water retention, making it a great ally in your weight loss journey. Third, we have the Citron Tea, or Yuja-cha, made from the Yuja fruit. This tea, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, not only boosts immunity but also aids in weight loss. Its polyphenols improve digestion and metabolism, making it a delightful and healthy option for weight loss. Fourth on our list is Mugwort Tea, or Ssuk-cha. This slightly bitter herbal tea aids digestion, reduces bloating, and boosts metabolism. It also helps detoxify the body, promoting liver function. Regular consumption of mugwort tea can improve digestion and overall wellness, assisting in weight loss. Our fifth drink, Makgeolli, is a traditional Korean rice wine with a low alcohol content. Packed with probiotics, it promotes gut health, regulates metabolism, and improves digestion. This fermented drink also controls appetite and reduces cravings, making it a great occasional treat on your weight loss journey. Finally, we have Ginseng Tea, or Insam-cha. This popular Korean drink, made from ginseng root, boosts metabolism, increases energy levels, and improves mental focus. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduces appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. In conclusion, these 6 Korean drinks offer natural and effective solutions to promote weight loss while boosting overall health and well-being. So, why not try incorporating them into your weight loss journey? You might just find your new favorite beverage, and a slimmer waistline to boot.